I have now done the water change, but there has been an issue. My current pump is now losing its flow, and I'm currently concerned about these tank mates not. As you can see, most of these shrimp are all by the filter, but I had to be carefully on moving them. So I'm going to move this filter out carefully and hope I don't have any issues coming up for my nitrogen cycle. This filter is going to be needing maintenance, so right now I'll be pulling it out. As you can see, I have taken off my filter. I don't think any of the shrimp has stayed on, since that would be my main concern. I'm going to have this bottle set up and get cleared of all the contaminants. It currently has some hydrochlorine, and also the tap water metal is run off. As you can see, in my guard, there's some tap water metals that I've been trying to clear of. There's going to be a detailed video that I might come along soon, reviewing a detailed review tour of how people are supposed to get rid of the contaminants in the current air. So this is how I do my water changes with these type of suction coupe. Don't want to disturb people. But yeah, I'll be using the gravity method for this. Let me use my phone aside. I have some of these water testers from a previous water. We're going to see the contents of this water. Today I'm not going to do a water change. With this switch here, I check to see my filter is straight. And currently with the noises, it's filling up the water on all tubing ends. But at least the flow is better than before. Unfortunately, this filter is not a really good filter for this setup. Here on H2O, I am really hungry. I want to test out my light if it's strong. These are the previous green onions I grew from the last time I tried, but these were organics, as if they were safe enough for me to try on my tank and not worried about pesticides, etc. Since these are your regular green onions that are not organic, I will put them in the cup water to run these pesticides off, as I just washed them right now. I'm going to cut the side around here to see if the shoots will regrow, as this experiment will be with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 shoots. Now that I have done my water change, I am going to put the non-organic ones. So my green onions of the organic have passed the test, but the mint has died. I will retry this again, since the water levels kept fluctuating. They were at a normal level, but I did not potted the plant correct. The green onions kept on falling. Thus, this made an uncomfortable setup. I will try this again and put this in the back. While I wait for this to fill up, I will fill the tank up just so this is not short. I currently got the flow at a stable state, and hopefully the water level doesn't be at its lowest. Unfortunately, my current water line is at its low, but towards the end of the week, I will do a water change. The current water agitation has to be at its minimal, since my current floating plants are suffering some sudden death. That's all for today, guys, and here on H2O for this quick water change. Even though I did a new plant setup, this is the new light that has been installed, and thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.